A back day. First exercise, single arm row. Get into position, get your shoulder blade locked in, pull, stretch. Pull-ups. And there's so many different ways you can progress in your pull-ups if you have a hard time for them. You could jump up and work negatives. You can use a resistance band, or you can use a assisted machine. Since this is my first compound and I feel warm, I'm going to try to do a few body weighted one, just normal. Okay, so if you know me, you know that I love everything barbell. I do love my machines, and you guys most often see me doing machines, but nothing can beat a good old freaking barbell row. Get a good stretch, retract. Nice. Really freaking nice. And as you guys can see, this really takes away the momentum that you might give yourself when you're doing the rows. Oh my God. Oh, proper work. A low cable row. And as you guys can see, I'm really pulling it towards my hips.